I even wonder if anybody would have, politicians would have cared, you know. Okay, now this is what has happened. Why should this man, who has just said, "Hum nyalaya ka palan karte," etc., if this is a case of his state, why should a family which has run for 19 years run for another 19? Why can the state not go in appeal for their own child? And all these politicians who have created such a big hangama in the Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha and all today, what are they actually doing about protecting the citizens of tomorrow? As of just now, the situation is every parent is looking at this and thinking, I have to tell my child, do not trust a policeman. A policeman is not your protector. He is a predator. He is a pervert.
And not just is he a predator and a pervert, he can get away with it.
Absolutely.
He can get away with it. But Kirti, do you agree with the logic that's being internally put forth by CBI investigators that if they had created a case for abetment to suicide, there wasn't enough evidence? Interestingly, their own charge sheet talks about the causal relationship between depression and being molested. And then, of course, what we don't focus on enough, there is an ordinary family that takes on the powerful. And there are cases created. This young girl is thrown out of school for indiscipline. Her brother gets cases of car theft slapped against him. I mean, it's an environment in which many a teenage girl may have crumbled.
Yes, I totally agree with you. I think it's a shame that more charges weren't leveled against the policeman, including perhaps abetment to suicide, because I think there are a chain of events that have led up to this suicide. As you said, it was not only the molestation, it was subsequent events right up to the moment probably that she committed suicide.
But do you believe legally there was enough basis to create an abetment to suicide?
Because there is a precedent in dowry, in abetment to suicide in dowry cases, and the court has held in certain cases that it doesn't have to be an immediate cause, not the lighting of the match to the clothes, and that if there are causes and the causes are sufficient, there could be a charge of abetment to suicide. But besides that, there could have been other charges too for leveling false charges against the